Guys, we are starting with a new topic, our grammar topic number 8, that is active and passive voice. Fine. Open your notebooks, write down the notes, and then we'll complete with the sentences and the worksheet also, that is worksheet number 7. That the whole worksheet is of active and passive voice. Fine. We'll start. Now, what is active voice? Write the definition. Then I'll give you one example. एक्टिव का डेफिनेशन लिखो एक्टिव वॉइस का. A verb is in the active voice when its form shows that the subject himself or you can write herself or you can write itself does something. That is called active voice. Right? Passive voice meaning a verb is in the passive voice. A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done by the subject. Done? Now, just for an example, write down Shri Vajpayee, Shri inaugurated the exhibition. Now, Shri Vajpayee inaugurated the exhibition. Now, in this, Shri Vajpayee is the subject, inaugurated is the verb, and the exhibition is object. Right? The same sentence I'm writing again. See this difference. The exhibition was inaugurated by Shri Vajpayee. Now, what is the difference in this? The exhibition was inaugurated by Shri Vajpayee. Now, the difference is the exhibition became subject. Inaugurated का was inaugurated हो गया पर वो verb ही रहेगा. बाय श्री वाजपेयी चेंज हो गया, वो ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया, और जो पहले ऑब्जेक्ट था वो सब्जेक्ट हो गया. सो दिस इज पैसिव एंड दिस इज एक्टिव. समझ में आ रहा है? इफ यू ऑल आर रीडिंग द एक्टिव वॉइस का डेफिनेशन पढ़ो, जस्ट रीड इट वंस. एक्ट व्हेन a verb is in the active voice, when it form shows that the subject himself or herself itself does something. Subject is doing something. See this. Subject is doing something. Right? And here, a verb in the passive voice, when it form shows that something is done by the subject. Both are one and the same. But the difference is I am changing and twisting the sentences. ये जो सब्जेक्ट था, ये श्री वाजपेयी था, वो ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया पैसिव वॉइस में, और जो ऑब्जेक्ट था एक्टिव में, वो पैसिव में वो सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. सी दिस. द एग्जीबिशन पहले क्या था? ऑब्जेक्ट था, वो सब्जेक्ट हो गया पैसिव में. राइट? और जो एक्टिव में सब्जेक्ट था वो ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. क्लियर? एनी डाउट्स? और ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा. वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ वन टेबल. एक टेबल बनाओ. Take a new page or the whole page table you all are making. In first, you all are writing tense. Second, active voice, and next is passive. Now, first tense is present simple. You all know the tense and how to convert the sentence as per the tenses are given to you all. These tenses will be applied on active and passive voice also, because whenever we are talking, the tenses are applied to each and every sentences. Right? Right, first one, present simple. Right? First sentence I will do, another two sentences. You all will convert it by your own. First sentence is, I eat an apple. Passive voice. Just object will be subject and subject will be object. An apple is eaten by me. Right? Now, second sentence I'm giving you all of passive voice. Her work is done by her. And third sentence I'm giving of active voice, that is, we write four letters. The sentence which I'm leaving, that is homework for you. You will complete the table. Next, that is present continuous. Now, first, in present continuous, I am eating an apple. She is doing her work. Right? We are writing four letters. I'm just showing you all the last one. That is third one, how you will convert. That is four letters are being converted are being written, sorry, are being written by us. Done? Third one, present perfect. First sentence, I have eaten an apple. You can write here, an apple has been eaten by me. Right? Second, in passive voice, I am giving her work has been done by her. In present perfect, active voice, you all are writing the third sentence, that is, we have written 4 letters. Till then, complete the above sentences. Fourth one. Now we'll start with past simple. First one, I ate an apple. Four letters were written by us. Her work was done by her, passive voice. Her was done by her. Fifth, past continuous. First sentence in passive voice, you all are writing an apple was being eaten by me. She was doing her work. Active voice. She was doing her work. We were writing four letters. Six, past perfect. I had eaten an apple. Four letters. In passive voice, I am writing the third sentence. Four letters had been. Now this is past perfect, so had been written by us. She had done her work. Right? Now what you will write for this in passive voice? Her work had been done by her. Right? Because it is past perfect, Had been will come. Seventh, future. Simple. Now future is there. Two words you will add, that is shall or will. In active voice, shall will come. I shall eat an apple. And when you are converting this sentence into passive voice, it will become an apple will be eaten by me. Will. Shall will be. Yes. Shall के जगह पे you all will write will. Her work. I am writing the passive voice second sentence. That is, her work will be done by her. Done. Third sentence of active voice I am writing. That is, we will write 4 letters. This is something tricky. When you will write in passive voice this sentence, how you all are going to write? Just think. Yes. You all will write like this. We, sorry, 4 letters will be written by us. Done. Next is 8-1. Future continuous. Now, I'll give you all active sentences in this. You all are going to convert into passive. Okay? Right. I shall be eating an apple. Second, she will be doing her work. Third, we will be writing 4 letters. Now convert it into passive voice now. For your kind information, guys, in future continuous, there is no passive voice. ये किसी को पता था? नहीं. In future continuous, now in future continuous, guys, there is no passive voice. Now one more thing, in not only in future continuous, but I'm talking about continuous tense. Present perfect, continuous tense, then past perfect, continuous tense. This is future continuous tense. And the last one, future perfect continuous tense. There is no passive voice for these things. These four tense, four continuous, there is no passive voice. अगर पैसिव वॉइस बाय चांस पूछा भी है तो ये आंसर जो तुम लोग ने मुझे दिए हैं, डोंट गिव और राइट दैट आंसर्स एंड कम, क्योंकि सारे कंटिन्यूअस में पैसिव वॉइस होता नहीं है. फाइन. नाउ future perfect, we'll continue with this is the last one. Write down, I shall have eaten an apple. In passive voice, you all are writing by yourself. Just try. I'll give you the second one. In passive voice sentence, her work will have been done by her. Right? Third sentence of active voice I'm giving you all. We will have written 4 letters. Done? This year we are completing the tenses with active and passive voice. If you all want to write down the rules, you all can write down. Right? Rules for converting a sentence from active voice in into the passive voice. Now I am not going to write down. You all are writing it down. I'll dictate it. There are 6 rules and you all are writing down fast. Now, first rule. Change the subject. Change the subject I'm giving you all the first one. Change the subject, bracket open, I, comma she, comma we, bracket close, into the object, bracket open, me, her, us, me, her, us. Second one. Write down, change the object, bracket open, ऑब्जेक्ट कोई भी हो बट व्हेन ऊपर हमने जो सेंटेंसेस लिखे हमारे 3 ऑब्जेक्ट क्या थे एप्पल वर्क एंड लेटर राइट इनटू द सब्जेक्ट चेंज द ऑब्जेक्ट ब्रैकेट ओपन एप्पल वर्क लेटर्स ब्रैकेट क्लोज इनटू द सब्जेक्ट yes now third one use the past participle bracket open use the past participle bracket open eaten done written eaten done written bracket close of the given verb I'm repeating with the second sentence that is change the object apple work letters into the subject. I'm repeating the third sentence again. Use the past participle eaten done written of the given verb. Right? Next, fourth one. Use primary helping verb. हमने helping verbs पढ़े modal auxiliary with their functions. These are some of them you all can use here also. Helping verbs use the primary helping verbs bracket open is, am, are, is, am, are, was, were, shall be, was, were, shall be, will be, have, has, had, have, has, had, bracket close, related, related to the given tense, related to given tense. Fifth one, use being, use being in all the continuous tenses. Use being, B-E-I-N-G, being in all continuous tenses. Sixth one, use been, B-E-E-N, use been in all the perfect tenses, in all the perfect tenses. Right? Now, just write down here the important note. First sentence, write down. First sentence, the pines are widely distributed. Next sentence, viruses are grown only in living cells. Third one, the budget session has been summoned. Now guys, why these sentences are there in important note? पैसिव वॉइस में क्या है, तुम लोग ने अगर मीनिंग पढ़ा रहेगा तो पैसिव वॉइस में you all are going to convert object into subject, right? But here if you are seeing, write down the doer of the action, or you can write the agent is not mentioned because the action fact is more important than the doer, or you can write as an agent. Done? यहाँ पे doer और agent is not there. Why? Because the action or the fact is more important. Right? Done? Now, come to the worksheet, or guys, there are 20 sentences. Homework. And the table sentences also is the homework. And guys, there is one correction in 19th sentence. Find word is there. Instead of find will come. Fine. Just this changes there. Answer, when you will submit it, I will give you. And those who will submit, they will only get the answers. Done. We have completed with the active and passive voice topic here, guys. Bye-bye.